Good morning. This is Bhargavi Ramachandran, the entrepreneur of India, GST registered, brand is Sahasradhara. Segments, 3 segments I am handling. First one is handlooms, next is Areca manufacturing, and next comes to the terracotta manufacturing. These 3 segments I am handling by having my laborers along with me. They are working with me and they are almost not laborers. I'm sorry to say that they are like a partners to me. Yeah, I supply to shops. My name is Bhargavi Ramachandran. My company name is Sahasradhara Handlooms, and now I am presenting you the terracotta jewelries which I am making it from my side. Okay, thank you. Please have a look with this, and if you have any requirement, you can just be on contact 9535285483, Bangalore, Laggere. Just take a look on first one. Lord Ganesha is on. This is costing you 1200 with earrings. I'll show you one more piece. Please subscribe for this so that you will get all 3 updates in manufacturer cost. I am looking out for more for the distributors who can sell it in their cities, even the handlooms also, because we are manufacturing silk sarees, beautiful silk Kanchipuram silk sarees, silk saree with the kanta work, with earrings 1200. $1,200. 1,200. 1,200. You can wear it on your regular sarees, and also if you want it on your silk sarees, you can wear it. 1,200. 1,200. 1,200. If you are ordering minimum 10 pieces, you will be having the exclusive discount on this. $800. 1,200. 800. Without earring. This is with earring. 1,200. 800. 1,200. 800. 800. This is also 800. All Ganeshas has got a different painting on that. It's an organic painting what we have used. And what I'm wearing, this is also my manufacturing only, the kanta work on pure silk. It's a stroll. What I'm wearing is the stroll, प्योर सिल्क कांता वर्क, प्योर सिल्क धागे से बनाया गया है। इन सबका प्राइसिंग हो गया 1200. Take a look. 1200. Take a look. 1200. Next, we are able to show you 320 rupees. If you want any matching to be done, don't worry about COVID. We don't have any problem with the COVID. We are in a green segment. We are able to courier to anybody. We are located in Bangalore North, which is free from all problems. 320. 320. This is also 320. 320. 320. Take a look. 320. 320. 320. It has got a good length. You can see here. The same length it has got. Whatever I am showing, the same. This is 680. What I am wearing. 320. 320. 320. 320. 320. 320. This is also 320. This is also 320. 320. We have more collections. I will get back to you weekly once with this because we can manufacture so much in one time. As we get the collections, I will start doing every weekly once or weekly 15 days once. I'll update it to you. But handloom section, every 3 to 4 days we will be having the YouTube session. I would like to take it on live, but let me see how it works. These are the exclusive beautiful pieces. 1200. These are the small pieces. Just for 220. 220. 220. It is just a material cost what you are looking at actually. Outside it is not less than 500. See? 220. 220. Thank you. Be in touch with me for any this one Areca orders like Areca plates, Areca containers. If you have any bulk orders, it's not only in India. We have our GST registration with all over India, and we have a import-export license also. IEC code I have got. So don't worry. If anybody requires in abroad also for the functions and all, they can utilize this opportunity. As a manufacturer, I would like to give it in a very good price. And yes, of course, being an Indian, yes, we support Indians. Thank you.